Procrastination. That sneaky thief of time. You know the feeling. You've got a to-do list a mile long, deadlines approaching, and instead of working, you're scrolling, watching, waiting for motivation to magically appear. But what if I told you there's a strategy that high performers, tech giants, and top athletes use to defeat procrastination? It's called timeboxing. And today, we're breaking it down step by step. Get ready to turn your scattered energy into laser-focused productivity. If you're ready to win back your time and finally crush procrastination, this is the video for you. Let's go. We all procrastinate. It's not just a bad habit, it's a psychological pattern. You know what you should be doing, but something stops you. It's not laziness, it's fear. Fear of failure, fear of not doing it perfectly, fear of discomfort. So your brain does what it loves. It chooses the easy route, instant gratification, a quick scroll, a snack, a nap, anything but the task. And here's the kicker. The more you avoid it, the worse it feels. Guilt builds, stress grows, the task looms larger. It becomes a monster in your mind, and still, you wait. That's the procrastination trap, and millions of people are stuck in it. But what if there was a way to break that cycle? To start, even when you don't feel like it. To get into action, even when your mind resists. That's where timeboxing comes in. Timeboxing is not just a productivity hack, it's a mindset shift. It's the idea of assigning fixed units of time to a specific task, in advance. Instead of saying, I'll write my essay tomorrow, you say, I'll write from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Instead of having a never-ending to-do list, you block off time for each item on your calendar. It's not about doing more, it's about being intentional. You're not relying on motivation, you're relying on structure. When the time block begins, you start. When the time block ends, you stop. No overthinking, no perfectionism, just action. It's simple, but it's powerful. Let's break down why timeboxing is so effective. It creates urgency. When you know you only have 25 minutes to work on something, you don't waste time. You dive in, too. It ends perfectionism. You don't have to make it perfect. You just have to make progress during your time block. It reduces decision fatigue. You're not asking, what should I do now? Your calendar already answered that. It builds momentum. Each completed time box becomes a win. Wins. Stack. Momentum grows. It boosts focus. No multitasking, no distractions. Just one task, one block, full attention. That's the magic. You're turning time into your ally, not your enemy. Let's look at how some of the most successful people use timeboxing. Elon Musk breaks his day into 5-minute blocks. 5 minutes. Every minute is accounted for. Bill Gates plans every hour of his day, even vacation time. Cal Newport, author of Deep Work, uses timeboxing to schedule distraction-free focus sessions that power his writing and research. Even you can do this. Here's a real story. A college student struggling with procrastination started using a digital calendar to timebox her study sessions. Instead of saying study history, she blocked off 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. for it. At first, she resisted, but after a week of sticking to her time boxes, her productivity doubled. Her stress dropped, and her grades soared. It's not magic, it's structure, and it works. So how can you start using timeboxing today? Step 1. Plan the night before. Before you go to bed, review tomorrow. Look at your to-do list and assign time blocks to each task. Step 2. Use a calendar, digital or paper. Google Calendar is great, so is a planner. Just make sure you can see your day. Step 3. Be realistic. Don't timebox 12 hours of deep work. You'll burn out. Start with 3 to 4 focused blocks. Step 4. Include breaks, timebox rest, timebox meals, timebox relaxation. Productivity isn't about working non-stop. It's about working smart. Step 5. Honor the block. When the time comes, start. When the time ends, stop. Even if it's not perfect. Even if you want to keep going. Timeboxing is about training your brain to trust your schedule. And that's how habits form. Want to level it up? Combine timeboxing with the Pomodoro technique. This method breaks work into 25-minute focused sessions, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, you take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. It's perfect for managing energy and focus. So instead of saying, work on presentation, you create 4 Pomodoro blocks for it. And you work during those times. No scrolling, no distractions. When you combine Pomodoro with Timeboxing, you're unstoppable. You're not guessing what to do or when to do it. It's already decided. You just execute. That's freedom. That's power. Let's talk about resistance. Even with Timeboxing, you'll face it. That voice that says, just 5 more minutes of YouTube. That urge to delay. Here's how you beat it. 1. Use the 5-second rule. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Get up. Open the laptop. Start the task. Lower the bar. Don't aim for perfect. Aim to start. You can always adjust mid-block. Key, stack time boxes. Combine something enjoyable with something challenging. Listen to your favorite playlist while doing admin work. Drink your favorite tea while writing emails. End each block with success. Take a moment to reflect. What did I complete? What did I learn? This builds confidence and momentum. Remember, progress, not perfection. Here's what happens when you stick with Timeboxing for 30 days. Your procrastination decreases. Your confidence increases. You start trusting yourself again. You finish more, with less stress. You begin to realize productivity isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things at the right time. And that shift, that realization, is life-changing. Because when you take control of your time, you take control of your life. Here's a simple daily structure you can use starting today. Morning block, 8 to 10 a.m. High-focus task. Work on your most important project. Mid-morning break, 10:30. Walk, stretch, snack. Late morning block, 10:30, 12 or emails, meetings, admin tasks. Lunch plus rest, 12 or 1:30. Eat, relax, recharge. Afternoon block, 1:30, 3:30. Creative or strategic work. Late day block, 4, 5 egg. Review, plan tomorrow, clear inbox. Evening routine, time box relaxation, family, hobbies, and bedtime. When you build your life around Timeboxing, you make time work for you. Procrastination doesn't define you. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You just need a new system. Timeboxing isn't about being rigid. It's about being free. Free from guilt. Free from wasted time. Free to focus on what truly matters. You don't need more time. You need better use of time. So take out your calendar. Start with just one block. Honor it. Protect it. Then build from there. That's how you win. That's how you overcome procrastination. That's how you take back your time and your life. Let's get it.